From the day I created this channel till I got this monetization, it was just 18 days. 18 days from the day of creation, not from the day of posting. From the day of creation and to the day I got monetized, just 18 days. Let me actually show you this. Let me start this screen record so you can actually be seeing all of this. Okay, because I want to show you guys a secret. This is actually like one of my monetized channel. You know, I told you guys I have 6 monetized channel. As we go along in this video, I'm going to be exposing them apart from one that I actually want to keep. So this is Jaffe Media. So you can see this is where YouTube congratulated me. Say, congrats, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. Ooh! This was actually 12th of April 2025. This is the date. You can see the date right here. 12th of April 2025, 1:53 p.m. That was when YouTube actually accepted me. Okay, now let me take you to the YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel. You can see I have 3,028 some K subscribers. That's not even why we are here. Let me just go to the more section so you can see when I created this particular channel. I created this particular channel 27th of March 2025. So calculate it, 27th of March 2025 to 12th of April 2025. How many days is in between? Just 18 days. So let me now take you further, because there's a trick and it's not a trick. Okay, I have actually spoken about it before, but there is something that a lot of us actually complain about. Let me go back so I can actually make it more detailed. Okay, this is actually my blah blah blah, let me just go. There's a particular live. So if you see where I actually started my live stream, because I actually got my channel monetized using live stream. If you check, there are not many videos here because I have monetized channel, but I have yet to determine, okay, what should I really be doing? Then I was just like, since I can get the channel monetized fast, let me just be trying it. I just kept on monetizing channel and keeping them. It's not like I really have something to post though. Imagine having several monetized channel and no idea yet on what to post on them. So this particular one, I went live using Restream. I think I've already spoken about Restream the 100th time on my channel, right? Because I know I've spoken about Restream so many times because it has worked for me. Yeah, and I've actually showed you guys step by step. If you don't know how to use Restream, I think I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can go ahead in case you want to try it and follow the procedure. I'm going to put it in the description. Just check the description. The link is going to be there. I don't want to be repeating the process of how you can actually use Restream again. So you can see the first time I did it, look at, I only got 148 views. So this one is for those of you saying, I've been posting on Restream, I'm not getting views. I will stay for hours. You can see I actually stayed for 1 hour 35 minutes and I only got 148 views in total. You can see the second time I did it, it was 111 views. That was what I got, and I was not even getting watch hour. Let us even click on it. Let us just look at it. The very first one I did. So this one is for those of you saying, oh, I'm trying this, I'm trying that. Okay, let me click on the watch hour, the watch time. I'm going to try my best to make this video as fast as I can. Let me click on lifetime. You can see I only got 0.4 watch hour, not even up to 1. Like the very first one I did is 0.4 watch hour, not even up to 1 watch hour. Very, very bad. That means people were just clicking out. So if you're using Restream and you're not getting views immediately, see, it is normal. You are closer than you think. Look at 197 views afterward, 169 views afterward. I kept pushing. I did not say, okay, because I was not getting the views or I was not getting the watch hour, let me just rest, see. Look at this one. I got just 20 views and I did it for 1 hour 12 minutes. Imagine streaming for 1 hour 12. Imagine the amount of data, the amount of time required. And I got only 20 views. 20. Like, see how ridiculous that is. And look at this one. Look at me complaining about 20 views. Look at this one I did. 14 views. This one is 1 hour 23 minutes. Just 14 views. Okay. I kept on, I was persistent, 19 views. So if you're seeing low views when you're using Restream, it is normal. You are closer than you think. Don't let it discourage you. You are closer than you think. So you see another one, live with Restream. I got 54 views. And here comes where my breakthrough started, because I was so persistent. I was like, I'm someone that when I am determined, I am determined. I was so persistent. I did not let the low views discourage me. I was like, people are getting monetized using Restream. I will also get monetized using Restream. So, and this one I did. I actually got 82K. Yes. So let's see how many watch hours this 82K actually gave me. So let me just click on it right now. Let me click on the watch time. So this is where it all started from, where it seems like, wow, YouTube started to laugh. So I got 267.8 watch time. Isn't that incredible? So when I saw this, I was encouraged. I was like, yes, I'm closer. You actually need 4,000 watch hours. I said, yes, I am closer. Then I move ahead. This one I did. It's now when, look at something that was high before, 82K, that was actually high before. It's now reduced back again to 11 views. I was like, I waited a while, and then I still went on Restream again. I actually did this one for 11 hours. I used to tell you guys, do for a minimum of 9 hours and a maximum of 12 hours. The reason why I'm saying that, look at this one that I did 11 hours. Look at the one I did. The one that was not up to 9 hours. I say minimum of 9. Look at the one that was not up to 9 hours. See, look at the amount of views. And look at this one that actually like closer to the maximum. So try to, try to do that minimum of 9 hours. So you can see 505,000 views. That's actually what I got. So let us just click on this watch time. Let us go to lifetime. 2010 watch hours was actually what I got. And you can see they all came from short feeds, like short feeds. Yeah, so this is it, guys. So in summary, all this explanation, all of this is just to tell you that, see, I did another one again. Look at 35 minutes. And this one was just 12 views. I hope you guys are actually following this analysis, because I have to break it down. Then I did another 11 hours. And you see, it got me 52K views. You guys have not even done live stream up to 12 hours. You have not done live stream up to 11 hours. You're already complaining. Somebody will say, I streamed for 5 hours. I streamed for 3 hours. And I did not get views. What can I... See, I streamed for almost 11 hours, 54 minutes. Is that not almost 12 hours? I've streamed for 12 hours. And see, it will not, so if you're doing Restream, this particular video just to tell you, so for those of you saying, oh, Restream this, Restream is, Restream is not working. Restream is working as long as you're persistent. If you don't know how to use Restream, like I said earlier, check my description. If you want to get monetized fast, see, this channel go monetized from the day of creation, not from the day of posting. The day I created this particular channel, till the day YouTube accepted it. I actually got my 4,000 watch hour before that 18 days, but it was on the 18th day. You know, when you get to 4,000 watch hour, you have to apply, you have to do a It was on the 18th day that YouTube, I think I actually applied on the 16th day. Yes. So YouTube now actually accepted on the 18th day. Because I think I actually applied on a weekend. So I think that was what actually delayed it. Because I know most times when you apply, you can get it the next day or just few hours. But mine, probably because it was on a weekend. So that was why mine took like 2 days. Because I think I applied on the 16th, and on the 18th, I saw my love letter. So guys, so this is just to encourage you. Don't give up. Don't say, oh, this Restream, blah blah blah. If you're really determined, if you want to get your channel monetized, it is working. It has worked for me on several of my channel. Maybe as we go along back in this particular channel, I'll bring another of my channel. I do not use Restream on that one. I use another method. I'll just be doing a breakdown analysis of that channel. And like, I don't know, maybe I should actually do it on a live stream. Maybe I should schedule a live so that I can be answering questions while I am analyzing that particular channel. Like, that is what I am yet to consider. Like, I'm still thinking about it. Should I set up, like, you guys can actually give me an idea in the comment section. Do you think I should, okay, let me stop this live stream. You guys can actually comment in the comment section. Let me know, because me, I'm still here battling. I don't know which one to choose. I don't know if I should do it as a live stream. Then I should be doing analysis, breaking it all down as a live stream for you guys, so I can be answering questions immediately. or I should just do it as a pre-recorded video like this, then posting it for you guys if you have any concerns. I don't know, but just put it down in the comment section. Yeah, so it depends on what you guys actually say that I should do. Yes, because that particular monetized channel of mine, that one is a different approach, not this restream approach. Yeah, so if you actually like this particular video, if you have learned something, if you are, how should I say it, if you have been encouraged, if your spirit was actually down, maybe you have tried Restream before and your spirit has been down, or maybe after using Restream you're like, well, I don't think I'm going to use Restream anymore, I'll just stop it. Or maybe you are just down thinking, if this video actually uplifted, sorry, if this video actually uplifted your spirit, please do what to click on the like button, please do what to share this particular video, and please do what to leave in the comment section whatever you think about this particular video. I remain your favorite girl, Nneka. I'm here to encourage you. That monetization, you must be monetized by force. And like I said in my previous video, I think the previous, like the one I did before, before my last video, I said, I actually spoke about a 30-day challenge. So if you have been doing that challenge, if you have started that challenge, let me also know in the comment section, how is it going for you? See, close your eyes to the views when you are just starting out your 30-day challenge. The first 1 week, yes, maybe even 2 weeks, you might not really be getting that views, but you are closer than you think. Before that 30th day, you will definitely get there. Close your eyes to the views. I love you so much, and this is Nneka. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.